Auzubillahiminash-shaytanir-rajim. Bismillahir-rahmanir-rahim. Assalamualaikum. Welcome to Al-Munir High School e-learning system. Class 1, today we have unit number 2, learning the alphabet. From your book We Learn English. We Learn English by Oxford. Learning the alphabet, capital letters. Learning the alphabet, capital letters, reading and writing practice. So you have to trace on these lines, on these lines, and write it in clear lines. A astronaut, A aeroplane, A ant, A apple, A eggs. B bee, B banana, B bear, B book, B butterfly. C computer, C candle, C coins, C cow. C candle, C computer, C candle, C coins, C cow. D doll, D dog, D dolphin, D drum. D doll, D dog, D dolphin, D drum. E elephant, E eagle, E egg, E eight. E elephant, E eagle, E egg, E eight. F for flag, F for fish, F for flower, F for frog. One class you have to trace on these letters and write them in clear line. G giraffe, G gift, G glass, G guitar. G giraffe, G gift, G glass, G guitar. H for hat, H for hammer, H for horse. H for hat, H for hammer, H for horse. I ice cream, I ink, I insect, I iron. J jeep, J jeep, J jam, J jellyfish, J jug. K kitten, K key, K king, K kite. K kitten, K key, K king, K kite. L lamp, L ladder, L leaf. L lamp, L ladder, L leaf. M monkey, M money, M moon, M mop. M monkey, M money, M moon, M mop. N nurse, N needle, N net, N newspaper. N nurse, N needle, N net, N newspaper. O orange, O octopus, O onion, O owl. O orange, O octopus, O onion, O owl. P for pen, P for peacock, P for pencil, P for plant. P for pen, P for peacock, P for pencil, P for plant. Q for queen, Q for queen, Q for quarter, Q for question mark. Q for queen, Q for quarter, Q for question mark. R for rocket, R for rabbit, R for radio, R for ring, R for rose. R for rocket, R for rabbit, R for radio, R for ring, R for rose. S for star, S for six, S for spider, S for sun. S for star, S for six, S for spider, S for sun. T for tap, T for tent, T for turtle, T for two. T for tap, T for tent, T for turtle, T for two. U are umbrella, U are umpire. U are umbrella, U are umpire. We were van, we were was, we were vegetable, we were violin. We were van, we were was, we were vegetable, we were violin. W were watch, W were walnut, W were wand, W were watermelon. W were watch, W were walnut, W were wand, W were watermelon. X are xylophone, X are x-ray. X are xylophone, X are x-ray. Y are yo-yo, Y are yacht, Y are yellow, Y are york. Y are yo-yo, Y are yacht, Y are yellow, Y are york. Z are zip, Z are zebra, Z are zigzag, Z are zero. Now it's activity time. A is color the things that begin with the letter B. B for bear, B and ball. So you have to color in bear, B and ball. Color the things that begin with the letter D. D dolphin, D dot drum and D dot dog. So you have to color dolphin, drum and dog. Question C. Look at the pictures and circle the correct word. Flag. Fish, flag and lamp. What picture is this? Flag. So circle the flag. Tent, teeth, tap. It's tap. So circle the tap. Sun, star, bee. It's star. So circle the star. Hat, mat, rat. The picture is hat. So circle hat. Capital letters and small letters. A or B for, C for, D for, E F for, G for, H for, I E, J for, K for, L, M, N, O, P for, Q for, R, S, T for, U, V for, W, X, Y, Z. These are the small letters. Reading and writing practice. A, you have to write on dots and write them in clear line. B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y and Z. Now you have to write from A to Z in these lines which are given on your book. Now it's activity time. Circle the matching small letters. Here is A, so you have to circle A. B, circle the small b. C, circle small c. D, circle small d. E, circle small e. F, you have to circle small f. G, circle G. H, circle small h. I, circle small I. J, circle the J. K, circle this small k. L, circle H. M, circle small m. N, circle small n. O, circle the O. P, circle the P. Q, circle the small q. R, circle small r. S, circle the S. T, circle this small letter T. U, circle small u. V, circle this V. W, circle this small letter W. X, circle X. Y, circle the small letter Y. Z, circle the small letter Z. Reading page number 1, reading will be done. The reading has been done now. Page number 16 and 18 you have to complete A to Z. And activity is color the things that begin with letter B, which we done already. Color the things that begin with letter D. This work is also done. Look at the pictures and color the correct words. This question is also done. Page number 21 to 27, complete A to Z. And as I told you before, you have to circle, so you have to trace on dots and write them in clear line. Circle the matching small letters which we done also. So unit number 2 has been done now. So you have to learn it and do the practice of alphabets, and take care of yourself. Allah Hafiz.